Okay, so we're here in beautiful British Columbia with Curtis, and we're here to talk about his boat restoration project. So Kurt, why don't you tell me why this boat means so much to you?
Well, it used to be my grandfather's, then it was my dad's, and now it's finally mine. And she's old, and she's seen better days. So there's a few leaky spots I need to patch up, and it's got a paint on the inside that I'd like to remove to make sure the fiberglass adheres properly.
Okay, so what are your plans? How are you going to remove this liner inside?
Well, when I got out here to check it out, it's a little bit wet, so I'm just wiping it out right now, making sure it's all dry. Everything looks dry and pretty clean. I got the Home Strip product, powerful paint and varnish removal from EcoSolve. Heard good things about it. This would be my first use of this product, but I've opened it up already. It smells really good. No toxic fumes.
Okay, right on. So we'll let you get started and we'll see how things progress. Okay, so this is the second layer of foam strip. First one was applied and it was allowed to set for 5 minutes. Now a second coat can be applied, and this will be Kurt's first patch. You can time this and know exactly how long it has to set for his other fiberglass repairs. Okay, so it's been approximately 45 minutes since Curtis applied the Home Strip product, and as you can see, the paint's coming off with just a mild abrasive pad and some water. And this will allow Curtis to get to the fiberglass where he can finish his repair.